What if your holiday wardrobe wasn't something you shopped for, but something you designed, made with your own hands, to fit exactly how you live and move and want to feel? That's what this summer became for me. And today I want to show you all of it, and also will reveal the cost of my me-made vacation wardrobe. I've been quieter here than I intended. Life asked for more than I had available, and the channel was the thing I put down. But the making never stopped. I just went offline for a while. I'm in the year 2 of buying nothing new, which meant that when I start thinking about summer, about what I'd wear, somewhere warm, somewhere that wasn't this room, I couldn't just go shopping. I already had a few pieces which I've made in early years, but we still like a little bit of fresh air when we're going on holiday. So I've analyzed everything that I already have and what I need to add to make it a realistic collection of interchangeable pieces which can be worn with one another. I had to think differently. What do I actually need to feel like myself on holiday? Not a full suitcase, not options for every scenario, just 16 things I genuinely wear, made from what I already had or what I could work with. The goal was simple: build a holiday wardrobe from scratch, from what I had, that I actually feel good in. Nothing more than that. Here's what I've got in the end. One top made from stone-washed linen, silk skirt, paper raffia hat, dress made from the same stone-washed linen, clutch made from paper raffia, just in a different color, tee made of cotton jersey, handbag. It's the same paper raffia, just with the bamboo handles. Silk set, top and shorts. Linen set, also top and shorts. Open shoulder dress made from 100% cotton poplin. Floral midi dress made of 100% viscose. It's viscose satin, you will see. It looks like a silk. Another dress made of 100% viscose. Knitted lace dress made of 50% cotton, 50% viscose yarn. Knit lace tunic made of 100% cotton. Floral midi dress, it's 100% cotton. And a crossbody bag made of the same paper raffia as before. The total cost of materials for everything was £320. At first, it could look like a lot. However, when we look at fabric and yarn used to create it, you realize how low cost is. I will give details on each individual piece in a minute, but before that, the average cost per unit. Each piece, including bags and hat, cost me £20. I want to say that number out loud because I think it matters. The idea that making your own clothes is expensive deserves scrutiny. And this is what it actually looked like from the inside. One of the things that made this project manageable was having a system for deciding what to make before I started. Not just inspiration, an actual framework for thinking about what my wardrobe needs, what I already have, and what's worth the time to make. That's what the Wardrobe Architect Planner is for. It's linked below if you want to work through the same process yourself. Now it's time to dive into my me-made vacation wardrobe. And first of all, I would like to start with this. Here you can see my top, made a couple years ago, and I've used the stone washed linen and it actually was a leftover fabric. So in fact it was a zero cost for this one. You can see my skirt. It's a slabby Indian silk dupont. Originally was made into a maxi skirt. I decided to turn this maxi skirt into a set. It actually has a top matching the skirt. The cost of this skirt was £28.50. Handmade hat, which been crochet from paper raffia yarn, cost me £11.13. Next is this dress. It's made from stone washed linen. This is actually the main piece I made from this stone washed linen. I bought 1.2 meters. I've used most of it for the dress, and leftover be used for the first top. So cost of this unit is £18.45. In this set you also can see the clutch, which been made from paper raffia. It was also self-drafted. I made this raffia bag 5 years ago, but originally it looked a bit different, and I remodeled it and remade it just before we went on holiday. Our paper raffia bag cost me £12. The next one is this cotton jersey tee. It cost me £10.12. It was self-drafted, and particularly it was cloned from my old tee. I made it just before we went on holiday. Here you also can see the handbag, and it's raffia with the bamboo handles. I crocheted it 6 years ago, and it's one of my favorites. I use it a lot. Every time I went on holiday I take this bag with me. First of this year creation is this silk set. It's a top and shorts. It's made of slobby Indian silk dupont. It's exactly the same type of silk as the brown skirt in the beginning. Top is a self-drafted unit, and for the shorts I used the commercial pattern. I remodeled the original pattern and make it more the way how I want it to be, and it was the first shorts I ever made, and I'm very happy with the result. I really love them. They're very comfortable. Another favorite, my new favorite is this set. It's a linen set. It was a bit of a disaster project. I started probably 3 years ago. I self-drafted, and because I didn't have any pattern for the shorts, I made a big mistake when I actually drafted it. And on top of that, I didn't just draft it, I cut it out of fabric, so I didn't have any way back. I couldn't do anything with it. When I realized that I made a mistake, I just folded and put it away. The next project is this open shoulder dress. It's made of 100% cotton. It's particularly cotton poplin. It's also self-drafted, and this project is just perfect for beginner, for absolute complete beginner. If you want a summer dress and you can't sew, you can sew this one. Doesn't require any too much of knowledge or skills to do that. Let me know in the comment down below if you want me to tell you exactly how I made this. I'm more than happy to share this with you. It's very comfortable. I love to wear it with any sandals, really, with heels or without. And I love this dainty flower pattern on it. I would say it's about 3 years old. I'm not getting tired of it. And because it's on the string, because it's on the elastic, I can wear it anytime. Here we go. The next project is this maxi dress. It's a dress made of 100% viscose. It's viscose satin. Also self-drafted dress. Originally I made the puff sleeves. They was about 3/4 length and was very puffy, but once I completed and put it on, I didn't really like it. I just decided to cut the sleeves off and made them into these little wings, and now it's one of my favorite dresses. Very easy to make as well. The cost of this dress is £15. Would you believe that this dress is only £15? Let me know what you think. And the next project is this boo-boo dress. It made of 100% viscose, self-drafted. I mean, I made it after watching a couple of videos on YouTube because I wanted a very simple summer dress which would cover the shoulders and wouldn't be too tight around waist, and that was a perfect one because it's easy to make and very comfortable to wear. There is a couple flaws on it which I need to sort out, but even so, I love to wear it. I wear it a lot to office, and I enjoy to wear it during our holiday. This is a neat lace dress made of 50% viscose and 50% cotton yarn. I had self-drafted and knitted over 10 years ago. It could be even 12 years ago, a very long time ago. But as you can see, I can still wear it, which I'm surprised. And another piece of knitting is neat lace tunic. This one made of 100% cotton, also self-drafted, very easy design, knitted probably at the same time as the dress prior to it, and you will see the two versions of it. One is with fringes and without fringes. I still don't know which version I prefer. Let me know what you think. The cost for the neat lace tunic made of 100% cotton is £12. The next piece of my wardrobe is this dress. This mini dress made of 100% cotton was self-drafted. I like how the neckline made on this dress because it was the first time when I made such a complicated one. Actually, originally this dress was a maxi dress with a split on the side, but then I decided no, I want it shorter and I cut it. So I still have some fabric left, so maybe I will turn it into something else. Cost of the floral mini dress was £18. Last but not least is this crossbody bag made of paper raffia, of course. What this summer taught me, what 2 years of buying nothing has been slowly teaching me, is that the making is its own kind of arrival. I didn't pack a holiday wardrobe. I brought a wardrobe I'd build, piece by piece, stage by stage, for exactly this version of my life. That's enough, more than enough. Thank you for being here, especially if you've been waiting. I'm glad to be back. If you're also making your own wardrobe or thinking about it, I'd love to know what you're working on. Leave it in the comments. See you in the next one.